Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. For this video, I'm going to be memory planning or kind of doing a highlights video for the month of April in my Recollections Planner. This kit I have already pre-planned with this kit from Kimmi Studio. I love to use her kits for my recollections because she sells recollection specific monthly kits. So I already pre-planned my month out with what I know and anticipate is going to be happening, and then I just go back in and make a note of everything that kind of goes on, and that way I can fill in my planner with my April highlights. So let's go ahead and get started with the first. So first of all, with the first, I'm going to take this deco sheet from Sadie stickers I'm going to be using throughout the month. And so I'm going to layer a floral with one of the grocery card icons from the kit to write that we went to Big Five Sporting Goods because my son wanted to buy some rollerblades and start learning how to rollerblade. So we went to the sports store to get those. Then on Friday, there's not really room to put anything. So I'm going to use one of these pretty lacy dividers from Colored Co, which is a shop I PR for. All of these shops are going to be listed down below for your purchasing convenience, as well as my codes to get my freebies. Then I'm going to take a Colored Daze, what are these little bow squiggle divider things, really cute mini one, and just put it underneath the gyno appointment box because I didn't really have anything else to go there, but it seemed like there was missing something. And then I have these really pretty, it looks like a Polaroid box from Miss and Meow with the pretty accent of the floral already on there. And I just layered that with a mandala from Sticker Guru, which is another shop I PR for, but that freebie was actually not mine. I think it was Brandy's, and I layered that with a sushi icon doodle from Wild Summer Designs because we went and got sushi on Saturday the 3rd. I love those boxes from Miss and Meow. They're so cute. It came in like an order freebie from PBC sale, so I love how it's like this little Polaroid and it's got the little floral accent. It's so cute. Then moving on to the next day, the 4th, I used a flag from the kit and the circular fork and knife icon because we had dinner with family for Easter, and I just layered that with a floral deco. For the 5th, my car registration was due for my old car, so I'm gonna first take one of these pretty hibiscus $2 Tuesday layering things from from Sticker Guru. And so since my registration was due and I had not yet smogged the car, in my state they do require a smog check every year for you to pass before you register it. So I just wrote in that I did my smog check, but I don't know, I feel like it was missing something, so I just used from that same Miss and Meow freebie one of those like smaller little swatches to put there, so that was cute. Next up, I got my oil changed on Tuesday for my old car, and I have an oil change sticker from Samantha Mae Sticks, but I'm using it because I already wrote oil change. Obviously you can see I just didn't like the way that I wrote it. I don't like my handwriting, so I'm going to take a couple of the glitter strips of washi from the kit and just put the oil change sticker over top of that. Because like I said, I had to get my oil changed, and I'm regretting getting my oil changed since y'all know that I got a new car, and I paid $77 for my oil change because it's fully synthetic for that old car. And so it's like, well, I wish I had just not paid for the oil change. Like, what the heck? Anyways, though, what's done is done. Then I'm just using a squiggly divider from Colored Co along with one of her bouquets, and then a heart fork and knife icon from Simply Gilded from one of the sub boxes or something, because we went to Red Robin for lunch. We haven't been to Red Robin in a really long time because my husband and I, we don't eat meat, and so they did have like a really yummy vegetarian burger, but then they like took it away and replaced it with, I don't know, like a veggie burger, like a house-made one or something. It wasn't good. I prefer like to have like a soy burger or like the fake meat. I don't like when it's like literally just like black beans and vegetables are in it. I don't know, I just don't like that taste. So we stopped going, but then we found out they had Impossible burgers, so we went and got lunch while we were waiting for them to do my oil change, so that was yummy. And then on to the 7th, I am layering a floral deco and a spray bottle icon because I rearranged the cabinets in our kitchen, because basically the way my husband had set it up when he bought this house was he had put the plates where the plates and the bowls where the cups were, and it should have been reversed because of the way that the cabinets were built. You always had to like put the plates in at this weird angle, and it was really annoying. And then I realized one day the plates aren't supposed to go here. So I fixed them, and I just used a spray bottle because I was like cleaning the cabinets while I emptied them out, On the 8th, I had to go to the post office and Petco, so I'm using a Petco, like a little Um, I don't even know what it's called. It's a paw print box, $1 Wednesday from Strawberry Creek, and then a mail little envelope with from Scribble Prints Co, and a hibiscus deco from Sticker Guru to mark going to the post office. Words escape me, y'all. On the 9th, it was my anniversary with my husband, so I'm using one of these pretty swatch boxes from Miss and Meow to write in that we went and tried Hot Pot. It was our first time trying it, and it was so good. So it was our first time trying the Hot Pot. I used the little thumbs up Sadie stickers icon bubble because it was like thumbs up is really good. And then on the 10th, this is kind of funny. So I saved a bee from inside of our house. So I used this little bee icon from, who's this? I think Planner Pixie Co. Let me double check. Yes, it was Planner Pixie Co. And I don't know, a bee somehow had managed to like fly into our house. And y'all, we know we got to save the bees because they're going extinct. So I got like a little pencil or a paintbrush or something, and I was able to get it to get onto the pencil paintbrush thing, whatever it was. And then I like quickly ran outside and let him fly away before he stung me. I also had a headache on the 10th for most of the day. So I just used a Coffee Monsters Koimuri with the headache because I had a headache. So on the 11th, I'm going to take one of these pretty corners of flowers and dragonflies from Sticker Guru. And I used a Target Run icon from Style Planner. Then I made kind of like my own little fun size box with some washi strips from the kit. I just cut them and it's kind of crooked, but whatever. So I just layered the washi strips together and just cut it just to mark that we had a fun day at the park. So I used one of the location bubble icons from Sadie Stickers because I don't have anything to mark the park. I don't have like a swing set or I don't know. So that's just what I used. Along with the Dash of Sun Designs floral bouquet deco there on the side, which is another shop I PR for, by the way. On the 12th, I just kind of spent some time cleaning the kitchen, basically, so nothing exciting, really. I just used a Coffee Monsters Koimuri where they are cleaning and they look like they're not happy because I freaking hate cleaning. On the 13th, I'm going to layer some more floral deco and a adorable little hummingbird from Sticker Guru. And then I have a change sheets icon from Fox and Pip because I had a like sheet washing day, like the whole sheets and towels and everything. Then I'm going to take the scissors and comb icon from the kit because I cut my son's hair on the 13th because it was going to be his first time setting foot on campus for his middle school because he's never been there before because he's a 6th grader, and when the pandemic hit, he just, it was all virtual learning and stuff. So he's never ever been to his school before until the 14th when they had in-person testing and it was required to be in person. So I gave him a little haircut on the 13th, the night before, and then on the 14th he had some testing. It's called SBAC testing. So I used another Coffee Monsters Co. Is it Coffee Monsters Co? Yeah, with the pencil thing. It's a really old sheet that Tara gave me and it's so cute. And then a testing script from Sticker Bloom. Then I also sold my old car to CarMax, so I used a hibiscus $2 Tuesday from Sticker Guru and then a Crafts by Towie car icon to mark selling my car. Sorry, that actually little testing thing was with Once More with Love. Anyways, on to the 15th, I'm going to layer another JK Creates bouquet with a cat butt from Strawberry Creek because on the 15th I did a deep clean of my cat's litter box. Then on the 16th, there really wasn't any room to do anything, so I just used a Dash of Sun Designs flower divider up at the top and then a canceled script from The Giving Girl over a strip of washi because my son's IEP meeting was supposed to be on the 16th and then it never happened. It was such a like ball drop with the communication. I don't know what happened to his old like LEA or specialist or anything, but like nobody called, nobody told me anything, and they already reset his IEP twice, like the date, because it's going to be virtual and stuff, So I missed it on accident. I emailed the teacher and the specialist and stuff, like, I'm sorry, I completely missed the meeting. Could you please forward me the notes and his IEP plan and stuff, any revisions and things that were made or whatever. And I never got an email back. And then finally, just so that y'all aren't kept hanging, we did have the IEP meeting in May because somebody else, another, like a new LEA, reached out to me and told me, like, sorry, I don't know what happened to the old one. I guess she like moved on, who knows. So that was like a total ball drop on their part, but thankfully he did get it done in the end. On the 17th, my son went on a hike with my in-laws. I wish I could have gone, but I had to work. It was like National Park Recreation Day or something. So my in-laws were going out to one of the parks out here and invited us, but I couldn't go. But we sent my son since he would have fun. So I used another location bubble from Sadie Stickers and then one of these pretty dangly star bowstring boxes from The Giving Girl, and in the background one of these pretty dragonfly floral $2 Tuesdays from Sticker Guru. Then on the 18th, I did some job applications, so I'm using a box from the Planner Pixie Co. Bee freebie, and then a hibiscus deco behind it from Sticker Glue. And then I also just kind of took a walk on the 18th. It wasn't really an exciting day, so I used a Take a Walk script from the Give and Girl with a shoe and a flag from the kit. Then on the 19th, we had to go to the pharmacy to refill some medication, so I used an RX pill bottle from Strawberry Creek and an RX refill script from Sticker Glue, and I used a honey inked divider in between that. I also sold some things on Mercari, so I'm using one of these, it's like a little check box from this Planner Pixie Co. Bee freebie. It's just like a little square, just a cute thing, with some $ icons from Style Planner. Just tried that Mercari sale in there. On the 20th was the day that I bought my brand new CRV. So I'm going to use a piece of floral deco and then a Miss and Meow swatch with a Crafts by Towie car icon. And then to celebrate the, new car purchase, we went out to Red Lobster with the family after we bought the car and signed all the papers. So I just used a fork and knife icon from the kit for that and just wrote in that we went to Red Lobster. Then on the 21st, I'm going to start by using one of these really pretty circular floral hummingbird icons. I think they would look really cute over, I don't know, like some kind of a circular, like a larger circular icon, maybe like one of those circular swatches from Miss and Meow or something. I don't know. Anyways, though. And I'm going to layer a backpack from Strawberry Creek Studio and then another testing script from Sticker Bloom because my son had testing, again, aspect testing on the 21st. He just had it on the 14th and the 21st, and that was it. And then I also needed to go to the post office. I'm using a postal truck from Strawberry Creek and then some of these little squiggly arrows from Planner Pixie Co. from that Bee freebie. Actually, it's a TPC sale freebie, but I just call it the Bee freebie. And then a rose colored days bow squiggle, one of the mini ones, just to go in between there. On the 22nd, my husband had his job interview with the place that hired him. So I'm going to take a couple of strips of this glitter washi from the kit because there's not really room to put anything, but I wanted to write it in. So I'm going to write it over the washi. And I have one of these cute starry moon decos from the Give and Girl, and then a laptop bow icon from Sticker Glue, and just wrote in that he had his interview on that day. Then I'm going to take one of these other bow boxes from that freebie what else am I doing? Oh, and I'm going to layer the Sadie stickers floral icon and a JK Crates Co. leafy divider. And the bow icon the bow box, I'm going to layer that with a musical note from Magic Prints Co. Because I created a car playlist since, I have my new car and I have we have Amazon Prime, so it comes with music, and I wanted to create like a playlist on there that I could play that is like not explicit music for when my son is in the car. So I created a little playlist on there, and I scratched out some bill dues because I had I didn't have to pay my car, and also I didn't have to pay our phones because that's a whole other fiasco, but basically they owed us a lot of money from turning in my phone that they never credited us for. And so once they finally credited us all those missing like 6 months worth of payments, we didn't have a phone bill this month, so I scratched that out. But anyways, then I'm going to take one of these really pretty thick washi lace deco things from the Sticker Garden and layer that with another Miss and Meow swatch because we watched the Falcon and the Winter Soldier finale and it was so good. I highly recommend it, especially if you love your Marvel movies like I do. And I layered a floral deco from Sadie Stickers behind it. Then on the 25th, I ordered a new pet water fountain for my cat on Amazon. So I'm taking that cut mandala again and then a cute sleeping kitty from Fox and Pip. And just writing in that we got his new water pet fountain in and set it up, and he loves it now. It took him a little while to get used to it. I knew that he would like it because he's always staring at like moving water. Like sometimes when like I'm brushing my teeth, he'll like stare at the water coming out of the faucet, and he's just like, I know he wants it. He's like staring at it, and I'm like, you want some? Because some cats will drink from like faucets and stuff, but he doesn't want to drink from the faucet. But I was like, I bet if I got a pet fountain, he would like it. And he likes it now, so happy for that. I just used the other half of that lace divider from JK Creates Co at the bottom of the day. Then on the 26th, I'm using a hibiscus deco from Sticker Guru and a paw print from the kit to mark that we had to go to PetSmart. And then I'm using a payday sticker from the kit, which I never use, but I kind of thought it would make sense for this. So I'm layering that with the JK Creates bouquet because we sold my son's bearded dragon's old smaller tank on OfferUp. So it was like a little payday, you know, because we got somebody to buy that tank that we no longer need. And actually OfferUp is where we originally got the tank from somebody else. So it has come full circle. So we sold his old tank because the bearded dragon outgrew her tank. Then we got our second dose of the COVID vaccine, my husband and I, so celebrating that with a swatch from Miss and Meow. I love these swatches so much. I wish I'd bought more. I got them from the PVC sale. And I'm going to use another Sadie Stickers floral deco and a Dash of Sun Designs immunization shot to mark that we got our COVID vaccine and we are now fully immune. On the 28th, I'm using another Polaroid from Miss and Meow and another hibiscus deco in the background from Sticker Guru and a Coffee Monsters Co. Happy AF emoji because my husband got the job offer on the 28th for the job he interviewed for. So that was the day he got the call and they offered him the job, and we're just really happy now that he is going to be working, and it's a great position. It's a great company. He's going to be working from home, not just during COVID. They actually said it's going to be like, it's a full-time work from home position. So we're really impressed with that. And like I said, great company and everything. So now I just got to jump on the ball and find me a job too. Then on the 29th, I'm going to take another Sadie Stickers deco and a nail polish icon from the kit because I got my shipment of the Hollow Taco, which is one of my favorite nail polish brands. I'm not wearing it currently in this video, but I did get my shipment of the Pastel Rainbow Collection, which is so beautiful, and I'm so happy to have it. And then I'm going to take a bouquet from JK Creates and then one of these pretty football and helmet bow icons from Crafts by Towie, which I never got to use. As you can see, it's my first time finally using it. I planned on using them for the last season, and I just never did. I don't know why, but that's just to mark that we went and watched the NFL draft on the 29th because we are big football fans, especially my husband. He actually loves a lot of sports. And I just used a JK Creates Co. squiggle divider, but I cut it in half because it wouldn't fit. So yeah, we watched the draft to see what kind of new players we were going to get. Then I'm going to take another hibiscus deco from Sticker Guru, and I didn't really have much room to put on the 30th anything, but I did scratch out the car payment because I have no car payment yet, you know. So I used a thumbs up bubble from Sadie Stickers because like, hey, thumbs up, no car payment. And then one of the longer bow squiggles from Colored Daze and a Sadie Stickers floral deco just to decorate that box right there. And that is going to be pretty much everything for this April monthly highlights video. I'm just going to fill in a few things for the end of the month there, like this Hello May script from Lots More Designs, since that box is technically the first day of May. And yeah, that's going to be pretty much everything. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel, and I truly appreciate your support for helping me out. I'm so grateful. Be sure you leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, and subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss more of my content. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you're enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. Hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day and your month of May, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!